Alright everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. This week on Cooking with Corey, we're going to do a venison chorizo breakfast hash. We're going to make a sandwich out of it also. We're going to double up on that. It's going to be delicious. My neighbor Ben brought me some venison chorizo and we've got to do something with it. I just wanted to show it to you whole. He made this homemade. I will take it down and cut it into pieces here before we start shooting. Anyway, we got some American cheese, a couple eggs. Over here we got a green bell and a yellow bell. That's a medium of each, you know, chopped into probably a medium dice. Same goes with the red onion over here. That's a half of a medium red onion. Whatever dice you want. You kind of want to make it match your potatoes. A whole small Serrano right there. Got some garlic right there, 1 tablespoon. Got some rustic bread over here. I got some butter back here. And we got 3 Yukon Gold potatoes that I have diced into a nice, I would say, small to medium dice right there. Alright, so let's get this cook going next. Alright folks, let's get started. It is windy out here and I apologize for that, but we're just going to have to deal with it. It's Nebraska. That's what happens here in Nebraska. It's windy all the freaking time. Anyway, get some oil down. We got a Yukon Gold. Get those going on first. Make sure your Blackstone is nice and hot so we can get a crust on these. Get started. Make sure they're all touching the Blackstone as good as you can. You're not going to get them all. Here's what it is. Salt, pepper. Good dose on your Popeyes there. Gonna let these go. Get a nice crust on that side. We'll be back. Alright, we've been on about 10 minutes, probably medium-high heat. I got at 36-inch left to right. I got 3 on, medium-high, and I got my right one off over here. Our potatoes have been going. Let's see if we got some color on these. And we have, look at that. That's what you want. That's what you want to see right there. Oh, yeah. Yukon Gold. You could use russets, I guess. I always like to use Yukon Gold. Multi-purpose potato, and I love them. Alright, here we go. Get them back out on one layer. Salt and pepper again. Just to the side a little bit. Look at that wind just pulling that salt and pepper everywhere. Alright. We'll let these go another 5-10 minutes. Alright, we've been going 5 minutes here. Drying up a little bit. Let's hit it with a little bit of oil down there. Looking good. Our potatoes are looking good. Let's hit it with our peppers. Our green and yellow bells. Get those in there. Let's hit it with our onion. Get our red onion in there. Spread that out as it is. And we have obviously added a layer, so we need to season that layer. Salt and pepper. Just let it go a bit. Alright, we've been going another 5 minutes, and we did put our veg on top. What I'm going to do now is add our garlic. It's going to go on there. And our Serrano pepper right there. Get him into the mix there. And then we'll give it a turn, and we should have some nice color on our potatoes on the other side, and we do. Look at that. Look at that. I'll tell you what. Look at the color on that. Beautiful. Alright. Get it all incorporated because we did put that garlic in there. Now, you know, garlic burns. So we're going to put the heat down to a medium low. Separate this out. Just let it go another 5 minutes. Alright, we've been rolling over, I would say medium low heat. 3 burners. Our far right one is off. We haven't touched this because we want to get crust on it. As you can see, each time, other than to mix ingredients in, I did not go turn everything around. You want to build crust, you want to build these flavors right here in this crust. Now here's our venison chorizo from my neighbor. Then we'll put that in there. Now We're going to incorporate that into there. You see all the color we got on our potatoes. Peppers. We don't want to lose the integrity. You want a good bite in your vegetables, and you want a good bite in your potatoes. Right? We'll heat our chorizo through, pull it to the side, we'll do some eggs, and we'll get this sandwich going. All right, we got our venison chorizo in there from my neighbor Ben over there, and it is delicious, it's spicy, it's just packed full of flavor. Obviously, it's venison, so it's a little leaner than what you get at the store or whatever, which is fine. It's freaking delicious. So we're done here. Let's pull it to the side. I want to do this recipe. Obviously, you don't have venison chorizo sitting around. Find you a good quality chorizo. We'll do this recipe with that. Right, that's over to the side. We'll get our bread going. We'll get some eggs going. We'll build this sandwich next. We are back. Let's get some bread toasting. Let's get a little bit of olive oil down right in the middle there. I've got some butter. So get a dab of butter in there. That olive oil actually will raise the smoke point of that butter, so we're not like burning. I'm going to take a little bit of this butter over to the pile of our hash over here. We'll lay a couple nubs over there to let that melt in. All right, good to go here. Looking good. Lay our bread on there. Toast some bread. The same to the other side. We'll hit it with a little bit of olive oil. Should be enough butter in there to get her done, but a little tab there, tab there. We'll let this toast. We'll be back. We've been giving our bread a good toast on the other side, as you can see, so we'll give it a flip. Got a nice toast on that. Let's add some American cheese. Cheese is your choice. I'm adding American cheese because I think it goes good with this. Gonna add that. There. Other side is obviously had the olive oil and I spread some butter on it. That there. We're going to take our delicious hash mixture, like so. Put him on there. You can have enough to make delicious sandwiches. All right, get her on there. All right, gonna let this toast. Get our eggs going. We'll plate. All right, let's do a couple of easy eggs for our sandwich. We'll put some olive oil down, hit it with a nub of butter. Butter going in there. Obviously, I always use a different spatula when I do my eggs, so hopefully I don't break the yolk, because the Blackstone ones are really thick. These are a lot thinner. Seems to work better. Hopefully it does. We'll see. I might break one. Anyway, one egg, and I gotta eat. Chill in there. 2 eggs. All right, salt, pepper. Salt, pepper your eggs. Let them rip. We'll be back. Ain't gonna take long. I'll bring you right back. All right, 30 minutes your time. Here we go. Give them a flip. Flip. All right, they're looking good. Pull them over here, let them finish. Pull our sandwich back in, like so. Looking good. We got our chorizo, our venison chorizo, obviously. Freaking delicious. Ben, you did a good job on this. It's very delicious. All right, our eggs have finished over here. Throw one there. One there. We'll top it off with our topper. Let's go plate this bad boy. All right, let's cut into this bad boy. That's how we did. Sorry for the wind, but let's give her a cut. Give her a good old cross section here. Maybe I get a hold of it. There, we got it. Now, is that a good looking sandwich, or is that a good looking sandwich? I'm here to tell you. We'll do a taste test next. Gotta get a cute picture first. All right, folks, here it is. Our venison chorizo made by my neighbor over there, Ben. Potatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic. I'll tell you what, All right, going over top. Take a bite. Look at that egg. I'll tell you what. That chorizo flavor comes through. The American cheese, amazing. Potatoes aren't overcooked. Vegetables aren't overcooked. Garlic coming through. Egg running everywhere. I call that a success. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube.